Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Pipedrive automation rules and activity settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Pipedrive automation rules and activity settings, begin by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the settings section found in the top right corner. From the settings menu, select Workflow Automation. Locate the automation rules that you want to backup. Click on the rule you wish to export. Once the rule is open, copy the details including the name, trigger, conditions, and actions. Paste this information into a text document or spreadsheet for easy reference. Repeat this process for all automation rules you want to backup. Next, return to the settings menu and select Activity Types. Here, you will see a list of all your activity settings. Click on each activity type to view its details. As before, copy the relevant information including the title, duration, and reminders. Paste this information into the same text document or spreadsheet. Ensure that all details are accurately recorded for future use. Once you have backed up all automation rules and activity settings, review your document for completeness. Save the document securely in a location where you can easily retrieve it later. Optionally, consider creating a cloud backup for additional security. You have successfully backed up your Pipedrive automation rules and activity settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.